Hello AI. What is artificial intelligence?
The term AI is commonly used in two distinct contexts. In the first context, AI refers to engineered systems that generate outputs such as content, forecasts, recommendations, or decisions for a given set of objectives. In the second context, it refers to the discipline of research and development that concerns itself with the fundamental mechanisms and applications of AI systems.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Isn't it nice when AI can explain what artificial intelligence is? Already the ability to interact with AI simply by talking to it is a clear sign that we are increasingly surrounded by artificial intelligence everywhere. And you don't have to be a programmer to use AI. But this is just the beginning. There is hardly a sector or application that cannot benefit from AI. Think about smart voice assistants, self-driving cars, digital health diagnostics. AI will dramatically change our everyday lives and have a global impact on our economy and society. But how does AI do that? AI learns to accomplish a specific task in small iterative steps. It's almost akin to how we learn as a human. This AI learning can be based, for example, on concrete training samples or be based on a target function. What do I mean by that? In the case of the concrete training samples, you know exactly what the expected output should be. Basically, you have a teacher that tells you the right answer. And in the case of the target function, you might not know exactly the answer, but you do know when the output is directionally better. Think about a child that learns how to walk. You don't prescribe precisely how to move the muscles or where to place the legs, but you do intuitively know if the child improves. For example, by reaching further or walking more stable and faster. To do this learning, an AI algorithm processes training input and in each iteration adjusts its model parameters to become a little better each time. Unlike conventional algorithms, no solution path is prescribed. You might say the AI is programming. And the resulting programs can do such amazing tasks such as explaining to me what AI is. But this training process is precisely the crucial point. How do I ensure the quality of that process? After all, there is no programmer who is responsible. How important is the data quality with which I am feeding the algorithm? And what else do I have to consider in the training process? We all have heard already of massive AI failures, some even with deadly outcome and some with blatant disregard of what we would call ethical conduct. We have to make sure those failures do not happen. Therefore, many countries and institutions are currently working on regulation to ensure quality of AI. For example, the European Union with its Artificial Intelligence Act, which is due to come into force in 2025. Artificial intelligence will become a test object and thus a case for TÜV SÜD. After all, it's a matter of doing what we have already done for more than 150 years, accompanying new technical developments with our tests in such a way that they are safe, trusted and accepted. To this end, we have joined forces to research how to distinguish good AI from bad AI and how to certify AI according to objective criteria. But how can the quality and safety of AI be tested? Well, it will depend on the data quality, but also on the processes throughout the entire lifecycle of that system. For example, for a certified AI, it must be examined whether the data used fits its requirements and whether the entire development process was set up and carried out according to regulation, standards and best practices. As we are now establishing trust in AI technology, we already have started to benefit from it. We make less spelling mistakes, receive better diagnostics, and overall improve our standard of living. AI is not here to replace us. AI is enabling each of us to do more. With the help of AI, I can now become a poet, musician, and artist. I can take better business decisions and improve my health. At TÜV SÜD, we are here to make sure it stays that way. This is what we have stood for and will continue to do. Let's shape the future together.